In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surfshark VPN on your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. Before we dive into the specifics, let's just take a moment to discuss why VPNs are essential these days. With cyber threats on the rise, using a VPN like Surfshark is a smart move to protect your data and maintain your privacy online. First, head over to the official Surfshark website. It's always best to download software directly from the official site to ensure you're getting the latest, most secure version. Once you're there, you'll want to look for an option labeled My Account. This selection might typically be found in the upper right corner of the web page. Click on that, and you'll be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. Input your login credentials to access your Surfshark dashboard. If you haven't set up an account yet, make sure to create one first by following Surfshark's registration process. Logging in lets you access all the features that come with your subscription. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Surfshark home dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your Surfshark services and software. The next step is to find and click on Download Apps. This option usually gives you access to all the applications supported by Surfshark for different devices and platforms. Next, since our focus today is on using this on a mobile device, you'll need to navigate to the section for phones and tablets. It's crucial that you select the correct version of the app for your device's operating system. So take care to click on either iOS or Android, depending on what kind of phone you have. By selecting iOS or Android, you will then be directed to the respective app store where you can download the Surfshark VPN application. If you're using an iPhone, it'll take you to the Apple App Store. For Android users, the link will open the Google Play Store. Go ahead and download the app from there. Once the app is installed, open it up and log in with the credentials you used earlier. After logging in, you'll be able to connect to any of Surfshark's VPN servers around the world. Just tap on Connect to automatically use the best server available, or manually choose a server based on your location preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and use Surfshark VPN on your phone. It's a simple yet powerful tool to keep your browsing activities secure and private. Don't forget to explore the app's settings to further customize your VPN experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.